Hello, welcome to this walkthrough of Math Exam AA, practice version 1, problem number 6. And here we're going to solve a simple linear equation, find all the solutions to 5 minus 2x equals 22. Very basic bread and butter algebra operations here. So the key to solving equations of any sort is just to simply undo the operations one by one until we've isolated x. And here's the real key here. And when I have x equals something, then I'm done. So let's start by just writing down the equation. 5 minus 2x equals 22. The first thing we might want to do here is subtract 5 from both sides. That'll not isolate the x, but it will isolate the negative 2x. So if I subtract 5 from both sides, I get negative 2x equals 17, because 22 minus 5 is 17. And now the only thing left remaining to do is to simply isolate the x by dividing off the factor of negative 2 here. So now x is going to equal 17 divided by negative 2. And another correct way to write that is just negative 17 over 2. Okay, and that would be the thing that I put in the blank as my answer for this mastery exam. However, as always, and as we saw in the previous problem, it's a pretty good idea once you've got a solution to go and flip over on the back side of the exam and just check your work here. It'll always check your work with equation solving too, because it's so easy to do. If I just plug in negative 17 halves back in for x right here on the left side, I want to make sure that I actually get 22. So let's go do that real quick right in this little box area right here. So if I take 5 minus 2 times negative 17 halves, so let's see if that really equals 22. If it does, then I know that I'm right. So this is equal to 5 minus 2 times negative 17 over 2 is a plus 17, and that does give me 22. Okay, so this answer is absolutely, positively correct, and again, you should always take the time to check your solutions if possible, and that's always possible in a case where you're solving an equation.